Hi friends, I'm Lenos Jacob here at the new Era store at Broadcast India. Today I'm going to give you a brief discussion or a brief conversation on the Dell AI Factory that's there. If you see, the Dell AI Factory is a complete platform that talks about or gets you ready to have any AI projects or solutions in place. We introduce it with the AI ready data storage platform that is there, and this platform helps us provide compute and storage which is ready to take care of any kind of AI workloads that are there. On top of it, the platform also brings in the ISV partners and the ecosystems available which help you get these projects rolling, running and bring it to performance and quicker performance as quick as possible. You see the different vendors who have been associated or who have been certified along with the DI stack is mentioned here. A small example like Starburst, which helps us take the ETL process away from the process of accumulating data and making a data lake out of it, but going towards the source of data and acquiring the data back. We at New Era are certified and qualified professionals out here with our certifications, as you see, for Gen AI Foundation on Dell proven technology, that we go ahead and help our customers travel this journey right from the time to establish a strategy or a thought process on what is the solution that needs to be attained, right up to the scale of operating and managing that in a production environment. So we can help you through with end-to-end AI solutions. And normally we see these solutions in the form of generative AI for productivity and generative AI for a customer experience. Do connect back to us for any further details and any other support on these products. Thank you.